Any serious business needs an email address. As much as there are other communication channels, there is still a need for an email address. But if businesses can actually capitalize on this, they can quickly generate more sales. For instance, Gmail ads are significantly and rapidly growing. More brands are now leveraging Gmail ads because they understand the powerful effects of emails. But as much as emails are great, how do you ensure that they generate leads? You need to send emails to the right target audience. Don't a circumflex T send them to people who are not interested because they want a circumflex T get opened. On the other hand, those who want them will open them and, therefore, the emails will have a high open rate. Scrub your email list. It is circumflex as important to clean your email list every now and then. This helps you to stop sending inactive subscribers a circumflex emails. As much as your email list will shrink, but the rate of engagement will certainly go up. Simplicity matters. Keep the email short and precise to the point. Avoid adding fancy designs, graphics, and images. In case you want to add a video, simply add a link. It is circumflex as important to also use a text-based email rather than using an email template. Use creative subject lines. They help to capture the attention of the subscriber. Content marketing. It involves the creation of content with the aim of increasing traffic, creating more leads, and enhancing brand awareness. Content creation is an important part of digital marketing that provides customers with new content in exchange for their attention. Instead of the content creator developing adverts that will interrupt customers, they create content like infographics. This is a type of visual content. Infographics help new clients who visit a website to visualize a certain concept that you want them to know. Blog posts. They are among the most common forms of digital content. Blog posts are written by blogs who publish them on websites. Good blog posts will generate high organic traffic and in turn, leads to better conversion rates. Podcasts. There is a resurgence of podcasts as content. This is not only from marketing agencies but also from consumers. The rising popularity is because they are easier to create and access. They are suitable for content creators on a tight budget. Moreover, podcasts are perfect for consumption in transit. YouTube videos. This is currently one of the most consumed online content. YouTube content is available in a broad range, targeting different consumers. They benefit both the consumer and the creator and also form part of the entertainment. White papers and e-books. They are long-form contents that provide consumers with knowledge. Creators can also exchange contacts with readers, thereby increasing their chances of generating more leads. Affiliate marketing. It involves promoting someone a circumflex products or services and earning commissions depending on the sales made. The amount of sales you generate is what determines what you will be paid. Affiliate marketing is based on sharing the generated revenue. The seller offers promoters a specific financial incentive for the number of sales generated. Generally, this form of online marketing involves building relationships. There are 4 main parties involved. The seller. This is a product or service creator. The seller is also known as the brand or the merchant. This party can be one person, a group of individuals or a big brand. The affiliate, this is a party that has direct links with the merchant. The affiliate can be a single person or even a company. They take commissions depending on the total sales every month. Affiliates promote one or several products from the seller to attract potential clients. The consumer, these are the people who end up buying the services or products. The consumer is the person who makes this a circumflex system to sustain itself. Customers are usually wooed via social media, billboards, and others. The network, this is the platform that connects the merchant and the affiliate. This platform acts as the intermediary. A good example of a network is ClickBank. Other networks include JVZoo, Commission Junction, and eBay Partners Program. Influencer marketing, it involves selling or promoting products and services via individuals who are able to drive more action from a specific target audience, i.e. influencers. The internet field has massively grown. We now have individuals or businesses that have big audiences and hence qualify to be influencers. People invest in influencer marketing because of the high returns of investment. Besides that, it helps to enhance the brand Circumflex's reputation and increase the conversion rate. Some of the most common influencers include bloggers, connectors, journalists, celebrities. Forms of influencer marketing include crafting specific content with the aim of having an influencer sharing it, offering a revenue split with the aim of making the influencer an affiliate, sending the influencer the needed information in order to increase your brand Circumflex's awareness, conversion rate optimization. CRO is a systematic process aimed at increasing the overall percentage of website visitors who take action. Note that CRO normally utilizes aspects such as feedback and analytics. CRO is important as optimizing a website Circumflex's performance. As a result, more of your visitors will easily do what you need them to do. Although CRO is normally designed to adapt to a specific website, some of the key page elements that are usually targeted include design. It involves the use of visuals to improve message delivery. Copywriting, using language, wording, tone, as well as the content of your page. Navigation, make sure that the page is intuitive and highly interactive. Call to action, you need to compel the visitors to take the necessary action. Integrating offline and online digital strategies. The only way digital marketing can be effective is by integrating both online and offline strategies. To effectively merge them, recycle content. Both online and offline strategies have unique audiences. So, you can streamline the content used in online marketing for offline use. This technique is even more effective if you are running on a fixed budget. All you have to do is to design a comprehensive ad strategy. Make cold calls to your clients. The only effective way of making cold calls is by using your own client base. These are the people who already know about your brand. So, it makes sense if you call them and try to convince them about your services or products. Integration is crucial because not everyone is online. Combining these two techniques helps to drag a bigger audience. This is because not everyone is online. Having a website and a solid internet presence is important. It allows you to reach a bigger audience and provide clients with personalized customer support. But not everyone knows about you. There are people who still watch TV, read newspapers, and listen to the radio, etc. By capitalizing on this market segment, you will actually reach a bigger audience. It helps to build stronger customer relationships. Combining these two techniques helps to drag a bigger audience. This is because not everyone is online. Having a website and a solid internet presence is important. It allows you to reach a bigger audience and provide clients with personalized customer support. But not everyone knows about you. There are people who still watch TV, read newspapers, and listen to the radio, etc. By capitalizing on this market segment, you will actually reach a bigger audience. It helps to build stronger customer relationships. Each of these marketing strategies has its own benefits. But if you are in the marketing sector, you definitely know that there are thousands of similar brands. So, how do you compete effectively? Well, you need to give people solid reasons to choose you. The best thing about online digital marketing is that it is simpler. So, you can create highly customized content. But you can use online marketing to improve traditional marketing. It is even possible to integrate both offline and online